Okay, finding tangents and normals. So finding tangents and normals, you need an equation to start with. So in this example, I've got an exponential equation. And you need a value of x, where the point you're going to find the normal and the tangent. Okay, so here's a example of what my graph might look like. At x equals 7, first thing I need to do is find the other coordinate. Okay, this is 7 and something, so I need to plug 7 into my equation here. Y equals 0.038 e to the 0.3 times 7 minus 5.2. So in my calculator, I just put that in my calculator and I found my value, negative 4.89. So y equals negative 4.89. So my graph is not quite to scale because my point is actually down below. So maybe I'll just fix that here. So let's see, actually down here is my 7. Okay, so I've got 7 comma negative 4.89. Okay, a tangent is a line that has the same gradient at that point. Okay, it's going to look like that. And a normal, so this is my tangent, so that's the equation I need to find for that line. The normal is just perpendicular to that, like this. Okay, so this is the normal. Right, so so these are straight lines, so they have y equals mx plus c. Okay, you find m by differentiating. So m is gradient. Differentiate to find. Okay, so we take y equals, what was it, 0.038 e to the 0.3x minus 5.2. So we differentiate dy dx equals, the point 3 comes in the front, so it's 0.3 times 0.038 e to the 0.3x. That's how you differentiate e. The number in front of the x drops down in front. Then the minus 5.2 disappears, so just whatever. That equals 0.0114 e to the 0.3x. Okay, so now I can sub my point that I chose, x equals 7. And I'll get dy dx equals 0.0114 e to the 0.3 times 7. And that's what it equals, 0.093. Okay, so that is differentiating, gives you the gradient. Okay, so this is my gradient for my tangent, equals 0.093. Just while we're here, our gradient for our normal, the formula is negative 1 divided by that number. So my calculator, negative 1 divided by, answer is negative 10.74. Okay, so now I've got this point, I had this point 7, and what was it, negative 4.89. Okay, that's my x. That's my y. I've also got m. Tangent is 0.093. Y equals mx plus c. Let's sub these in. Negative 4.89. Sub these in to find t. Sub x, y, m to find c. Equals 0.093 times 7 plus c. And if we work that out, c is going to be minus 4.89 minus 7 times 0.093, negative 5.51. 541. So y equals 0.093x minus 5.541 is equation of tangent. Do the same thing for normal. So that's tangent. Normal, we've got, again, 7, negative 4.89. Normal is negative 10.74. Equals mx plus c. Negative 4.89 equals negative 10.74 times 7 plus c. Negative 4.89 plus 7 times 10.74 is 70.29. C equals 70.29. So y equals negative 10.74x plus 70.29 is equation of normal. Okay, let me just put them all in the calculator and see how they look. Okay, here they all are. Let's see. Well, that doesn't look too good. I've changed the window a bit. Let's see if this is any better. Kind of zoomed in. Anyway, the tangent is going pretty much the same as that line. I zoomed in so much. And the normal is going perpendicular to it. Anyway, that's the way to do it. Maybe it's probably easier to see a different type of curve. Ciao.